What sort and filter? Let's check it out. I have a total salary column here. First, I'll select the entire data set by clicking and dragging with the mouse, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+A to select everything quickly. Next, navigate to the Data tab and click on the Filter option. Instead of adjusting each column's width one by one, click the triangle sign at the top left of the sheet to select all columns and rows to adjust the width of any column and double-click on the line between two column headers. I'll zoom out so you can see the entire table more clearly. Now, let's sort the Total Salary column. At the top of the filter options, you'll find Sort Smallest to Largest and Sort Largest to Smallest. I'll choose Sort Largest to Smallest. You can see that the rows are now reordered based on the total salary, with the highest salaries at the top. To undo this sorting, simply press Ctrl+Z. This shortcut key undoes your recent changes, which is very useful before saving a file. To remove the filter, go back to the Data tab and click the Filter option again. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+L to toggle the filter on and off. Easy, right? The Sort option also includes a more advanced sorting window. Be careful with your selection before applying the sort. In the Advanced Sort window, select the column you want to sort by, choose what to sort on, e.g. cell values, and then set the order, e.g. largest to smallest. Let's apply the Advanced Sort again. This time, you can see the selected range isn't defined correctly. I'll sort the Name column in A to Z order. Notice that John is still at the top because we didn't select the entire range accurately. It wasn't included in the sort range.